Hi, my name's Natalie. I'm a lighting designer here at Alcott And Bentley. Let's get into talking about the Pantone Color of the Year 2023, Viva Magenta. Since 1856, the color magenta has captured the imagination of all. Because of its resemblance to the fuchsia plant, magenta originally was called fucine, but after a battle near the Italian city Magenta, it was deemed magenta in remembrance. To this day, magenta has a strong place in our everyday lives. Along with cyan and yellow, magenta is one of the primary colors in all printing, and it helps to create all other colors that we enjoy. With its pinky tone, magenta is inherently feminine. It's also said to be the color of harmony and balance. The red base of this color offers a sense of power, energy, and passion, while violet comes through in the undertones. Overall, magenta promotes cooperation, kindness, and compassion. It is no wonder that magenta has been selected as 2023's Pantone Color of the Year. We have all felt the resurgence of normalcy as the restrictions from the pandemic continue to disappear over the horizon. A new sense of power and passion has altered our view of moving forward, what is to come, and what we have already accomplished in unprecedented times. Here's some fun ways to implement this color into your home. The traditional modernist, modernizing those timeless nostalgic pieces with a bit of playful contrast. Here, designer Gwen Hefner, as a self-defined modern traditionalist, does not shy away from color in her home. I love how she uses magenta on her built-in bookcases to display her book collection. The magenta makes the space feel rich and inviting, ready to spark anyone's curiosity. A statement entryway greets visitors with a vivacious pop of color. Designer Jonathan Berger welcomes guests into this Victorian home with a splash of magenta. Immediately upon entering this vibrant space, you're greeted with lots of color, magenta being the central component. I love the juxtaposition of traditional Victorian architectural features and decor with this magenta backdrop. An unexpected pop of color. Using this color as a pop of energy in your kitchen is an unexpected way to create an iconic space within your home. Here, designer Sheila Maiden brought this Queen Anne Victorian home into the 21st century with an intense color palette, rendering the home's historic interior as a work of true art. This luscious magenta kitchen feels playful and iconic. We love the look of traditional Victorian cabinetry bathed in this unexpected color theory. Dining room backdrop. A nice complementary piece of art can conspire with the warm magenta to create a daring dining space, sure to spark conversation. Designer Amanda Nisbet uses magenta as the backdrop for this modern Art Deco-inspired dining space. We love how these statement crystal pendants take center stage, as the large-scale artwork adds a soft blue tone in contrast to the bold warmth of the walls. Here at Alcott and Bentley, we have fallen in love with some of these designs. Using some brass accents within your chosen light fixture is an exceptional way to complement these warm hues. Be sure to check out our website where you can find our latest blog entries to learn a little bit more about how to implement this color into your very own space.
We'll be right back.